Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to add any website as a shortcut in Google Chrome in any PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. Here is my Google Chrome. I open Google Chrome and here we find some shortcut created by me. You can create any website shortcut. Go to the here plus button, click on this plus button, or new tab, click on this plus button. New tab is open. Here we find our shortcuts. Here we find one button, add a shortcut. Click on this add a shortcut button. Here add the name of your website. In this case, I create a shortcut of the YouTube. So I type YouTube. And here we find URL. Find the YouTube URL. That is very easy. Go to this plus button. And this time type YouTube. Type YouTube. Or go to the youtube.com directly. I search for the YouTube and go to the first link of your website. Here is the youtube.com or your website name. Go to the here URL. Go to this URL. Select the URL, entire URL. Right click on it. Click on the copy or control C. And go to this new tab. Paste at here. Right click on it and paste it at here. And click on the done. Here we find new shortcut is created. I close this website first and go to the here and click at here. And YouTube website is directly open. You can apply this same process on the any website. I click on the add a shortcut once again. This time I go to the Facebook and search for the Facebook. First option is facebook.com. Open this. Copy the URL. Select the URL. Right click on it. Control C or click on this copy button. And click at here. Paste it at here. Click on done. And here we find new shortcut. New website shortcut is appear. Click at here. And your website is open. So guys, this is the simplest way to create any website shortcut on Google Chrome in any PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.